out the door price was $56.76, and I got a $5 gift card to Publix. I also got $8.50 back from Ibotta. I got $2 back from Saving Star and $1 back from Checkout 51. To make it happen, I had for the Lightlife vegetarian beef, I guess it is. You have the manufacturer ones that are right in front of the display in the fridge area. Then you have a store coupon as a BOGO. So that takes a lot off. You're looking at $12 there, and you're saving 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 2 and 2, so you're saving 14 on $12. Then you got this one. These were $2, and you get $1.50 off each, so they come to 50 cents each. Then we did our Purina Deal, where we have our competitor coupon and the 15 off, as well as Ibotta. You get another $4.50 on Ibotta. And then the total came to $50.74. Something like that. I got some other stuff. Had a digital coupon for the Packed, Nature Valley. I had the Voss water. I had Checkout 51 and a Saving Star, as well as Saving Star was for the Packed, Nature Valley Packed bars. And then to top it all off, I had the $50 off of the Wawa gas card. So the gas card cost me around $40. And I got other stuff. I got Bella Food, Nature Valley bars. I got some pesto sauce. I got some Lightlife burgers, and I got Voss water. And of course, so my out-the-door price was $40.26, and I've got a $50 Wawa gas card. Now, only if I had a car that used gas. Of course, subscribe, and watch my other videos where I get paid to shop.